The new stretch effect. Today's video is sponsored by the Big Brother. Drag the new stretch region effect to your clip. Go to the Effects tab and select to open the Fusion page. Select the stretch node and set the end X point to 0. Play around with the stretch alignment and the amount slider. Right-click to the start value and select to modify it with XY path. Go to the Modifiers tab, double-click to the X and Y value to reset them. Right-click to the X value and select to modify it with Shake. Adjust the smoothness slider to change the speed of the movement. This effect isn't something special, but I believe this new tool can be very useful combined with the magic mask. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, well, you have no other option.